Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Salesforce CRM to N8N step by step. So step 1, open your N8N and create a new workflow. Step 2, click the plus icon and search for Salesforce. Step 3, you will need to create a new Salesforce credential. Step 4, go to your Salesforce dashboard and navigate to the App Manager and create a new connected app. Step 5, enable OAuth settings, set callback URL as this one, and note your client ID and secret. Step 6, paste these credentials into N8N, then authorize the connection. Step 7, once connected, select an operation like get contact or create lead. Step 8, fill in the necessary fields and click Execute Node to test the workflow. And that's it. Salesforce is now connected to your automation. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.